It's winter and it's cold, and you need it to be for what we're about to do. My name is Caesar with Artistry Adventure, and we bundled up so we can explore frozen waterfalls, ice caves, and incredible ice formations. Now that's cool. Winter. It's a beautiful time of the year to go out and discover pristine landscapes and snow-covered scenery. You'll be able to hike through fluffy snow and glide across slippery surfaces. Sounds like fun, right? In this episode, we visit Maligne Canyon in beautiful Jasper National Park and talk the walk. Ice walk. Outside of the freezing season, this place is gushing with tourists trying to see the raging waters below the rust-colored rock formations. But in the wintertime, this place is quiet and peaceful, and is covered with abundance of snow and ice. It's a bit different from the three seasons siblings. To participate in an ice walk, it's not as simple as finding a sheet of ice and just walking on it. If that were the case, every Canadian would be a pro at this. You should only do it when the river has completely frozen over and is considered safe. You could go to sources such as the Canadian Red Cross. They say that for the ice to be considered safe for a person to walk on, it should be at least 15 centimeters thick or 20 centimeters thick for a group of people. It's important to know this before you step onto that slick surface. To take part in this experience safely, you need warm clothes, boots, waterproof is ideal, ice cleats, and a helmet. Now, if you want to bring walking poles and a warm beverage, that's not a bad idea, but that is optional. If you have participated in an ice walk less than a handful of times, we strongly suggest that you travel with a tour guide. They will know the canyon, be aware of the hazards, and teach you all about the karst topography, the dissolving action of water. It's exciting just to jump in and descend into a frozen canyon, but don't rush it. Your ice cleats help with the gripping, but if you don't watch where you're going, you could take a nasty spill. There is so much to discover, so just take your time and really appreciate the exquisiteness of the environment. While you leisurely explore the motionless waterfalls, dazzling ice caves, and sparkly ice formations, you get to observe it all from atop a frozen river. It's crazy to think about thundering falls freezing solid and allowing you to view the natural ice sculptures halted in time. You'll be stepping right where the river normally flows, and you'll get to discover polished rock faces and deep ravines, as well as take in the unique vistas of this winter wonderland. No matter where you go, be cautious when you head out onto the ice. Here are some tips to keep you safe. Always let someone know where you're going and when you'll be back. Ice rarely freezes uniformly. It may be thick at one point, but much less just a few steps away. Fluctuating air temperatures have an impact on ice quality. Thawing and refreezing ice results in a weak and unsafe ice surface. Objects sticking out of the water, rock, logs, bridges, tend to melt the surrounding ice due to the sunshine. Keep an eye out for large cracks in the ice and avoid standing in a single spot for too long. Take short steps and shuffle your feet if you require stability. And also keep your hands free, ready to support you. Don't stand under any suspended sheets of ice. Now, walking on ice is never 100% safe, but if you take your precautions, dress for the weather, and respect Mother Nature, then this family-friendly and fairly accessible landscape is yours to explore. We are the Artistry of Adventure, and we want to spark your creativity to help you experience adventure. Stay connected, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more great advice and inspiration. Now get out there and face the elements.